Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix net ERR underscore certificate underscore transparency underscore required in Chrome here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is that you need to update your Google Chrome into the latest version. So navigate to your Google Chrome, make a right click and click for open so that you can enter. Once open, expand it first. Navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Click on it. Scroll down, click for settings. And under the Chrome settings, please proceed to the left side. At the last option, you can see there about Chrome. Click on it. And under the about Chrome, it will automatically check if your Chrome is outdated or updated. So in my case, Chrome is up to date. But in your case, if not, then the Chrome will update your Google Chrome browser automatically. So wait until the updating process would be finished. Once you are done, it will ask you to relaunch it. So click for relaunch so that you can completely update your Chrome. Once done, I want you to check if the error has been resolved. Yet if not, then we need to move on to the next solution. Open the Chrome settings again. Scroll up, find for privacy and security. Under privacy and security section, you can find there delete browsing data. Click on it. Mark all of the boxes here checked. Click for delete data. Wait for some time and wait until it would be finished. Once done, you need to check if the error has been fixed. Yet if not, then we need to move on to the third solution, and that is to disable the extensions one by one temporarily. So please proceed here at the Chrome settings again. Proceed to extensions at the second to the last option on the list. Here we can find all extensions, and from that you can see all of the extensions that you have enabled or activated. So click for removed or simply navigate to the switch here, turn it off one by one so that you can identify or see what specific extensions had caused the issue. In that way, you can remove that. Okay? So check if the error has been fixed. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.